Hi, welcome to Oumere, and I'm Wendy, and these are the 4 routines that you can follow depending on your skin type.
In the evening, your routine begins with cleansing with the Oil Dissolution Theory Cleanser. Oil Dissolution Theory is your moisturizing cleanser, and it will maintain your skin's hydration as it cleanses. First, mix the oil and water layers by swishing the bottle side to side so that the cleanser is thoroughly mixed. Then, apply a quarter-size amount to clean hands and apply to the face. We recommend applying to dry skin so that the cleanser can directly interact with your skin for the best cleansing results. Massage the cleanser into the skin for 30 to 60 seconds. Focus on areas that tend to see more clogging and oil production. You may feel some grits on your fingertips as you massage the cleanser into the skin. These are blackheads being released. After the cleanser has been fully massaged into the skin, rinse the cleanser off completely with cool water and pat dry with a towel. The next step is to apply your eye serum. Place a few drops of serum into the palm of your hand and dab the serum with your fingertips. Press the serum into the skin starting at the under eye area and move upwards towards the outer eyebrow area. Let the serum sink into your skin for 1 minute. After the allotted time has passed, apply UVR. Apply about 10 to 15 drops of clean hands and press into the skin. You can use as much UVR as you desire. Wait 1 minute to allow the serum to seep into the skin. After 1 minute, apply serum bioluminal. Shake the bottle side to side to mix the oil and water layers. Once thoroughly mixed, dispense about a dime-sized amount of serum bioluminal to your hands and press the serum into the skin.